never fail to bring back memories to many minds, nostalgia to many hearts, and tears to many eyes. Time and tide wait for none. Yet another group of officer cadets pass out of the academy. They bid adieu to their alma mater, leaving behind memories entwined between the pages of time. Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the loud breath of every soldier who made the supreme sacrifice protecting it. Tomorrow the words of Longfellow, lives of great men, all remind us that we can make our lives sublime, and departing, leave behind us footprints on the sand of time.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, comes the defining moment, the time for which this solemn ceremony is being held. The passing out officer cadets will go past the saluting dais in slow march, taking their final step through the ceremonial arch. No doubt, for the passing out officer cadets, there is a sense of achievement, and for their parents, a sense of great pride. But unheard and unfelt is the transformation and expectation which this occasion demands from each one of them. A momentous occasion indeed, unforgettable and a thrill. I'm sure they will forever relive this moment. Even today, all officers experience that nostalgic quiver when they hear the tune of All Lang Syne, in the strains of which these young men and women pass out from the officers' training academy. Dear officer cadets, our prayers will always be with you. Wherever you go and whatever you do, may you survive many a storm without losing your calm. May you surmount many a